me, Christina. We're going to play some more Roblox. I'm playing Mega Fun and Evie Obby. Going to do this with me. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with you, dude? And then she's not a dude, but what? Can I sprint? Yes, I can. Boop, boop. Ah, shit. I know what you guys are wondering. Why my voice is like this? Because I made 220 videos today and they all turn out horrible, so I have to delete them. So see, that is what happened. I'm not kidding. Okay. If I'm kidding, I will not pass this area. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. If I'm kidding, that means I cannot pass this. See? I'm not kidding with you. Wah, di orangnya apa? Sorry for the background. So hard. I'm going to do this in one episode because I'm too lazy. Roll solve for the background and the second voice. Alhamdulillah. Ah! Oh my god. That's scary. That's scary. I'm going to title this minion scare. Yeah. Hi Snake. Key. You see what I made there. What? Get up. This, I'm not. What the heck? I'm not going to do this in parts. Just going to do this one time. If you guys are fast. I'm so tired. Oh my god. But I know what you guys are doing. I was kidding about the 20 views. I made like 2, seriously 2. Not kidding, I swear. 2 and it turned out great. X. Really 10 times infinity. Horrible. Smooch. Sorry, if you know that language, I didn't put. And please subscribe to me and Optimus Gaming. He's here but he's too tired to make another video. He made 3 today, yeah. I know. Kakak dah tahu. Sorry for the Malay language. It's just that We're all Muslim. Not like Dantiriam, Af Mom, Popular in the Mode, Game with Jen. I took 5 minutes just to get to 14, stage 14. What? My silver tooth is not helping. And by the way, I just went to the dental clinic this morning, and I went to, because there's a hole in my teeth, so I have a silver tooth. Just so almost happy because hilarious because of Jen, old man. Just love that. Love when they laugh. Just that makes me not stressed. You know what game makes me, lose up my stress? Murdering. Seriously, murdering is my game of to get out of all of my stress. Like this one, I'm going to play murder next. Like to murder pony, yes. Sorry for that. Sorry for that evil, video clip thing. It's just that. Can I step on you? Wait, I can just walk. Da-dee-da-da. 20, yeah, my goodness, it's so hard. You're going backward. Why does these people, I said they are me because I always go backwards. Jump, yay! Going to jump over it because I'm lazy to walk. Just that, like, my jumping button is small, so it's very hard to press it. Oh, yay! I'm just going to end the episode. And leave in the comments what challenges you want me to play. Like the icebreaker challenge, the spicy challenge, the worst parkour ever. Listen. My silver tooth has not supporting me. So I went to the dentist. I'm going to give you all the answer for the story. Went to the story, and then there's a boy. Same age as me, I think. And then when I have my silver tooth, I did not cry at all. The boy next door cried so loud that almost my ears were bleeding. Like even the floor downstairs can hear it. So if you are the boy, the dentist, please. And leave in the comments below if you went to a clinic before. Pick the last one. I forgot what the title is. What the? No. So stressed. So stressed. I wish that I can play with a dragon. I would be so much happier and feel like it's home. you don't like dragon. Like, who doesn't like dragon, right? Am I right? Oh, 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 oh. This, then this. Even the camera angle. I do, okay. Now I'm guessing this one, yes. So 5 more minutes second, then I can end it. So tired. And I am not going to add the intro today. I'm not going to add the intro today because it takes an hour. That is why I did not make an intro. And there will be update for next time. My eyes are doing. Why am I in real life crying and the Roblox skin? This is not crying. Subscribe to me and Optimize Jamie. And leave in the comment below which minion you like, Bob, Kevin. I don't know what the last one name is. The Bob one always carries his teddy bear, like Mr. Bean. I did not touch that. Sorry if you guys, I'm sorry if I touch that. It's just like I'm so tired. See what I mean? What do you mean? Guess who's back? John Cena. Okay, that's not what I want. Back is peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. I wish you guys can grant my wish. My wish is to get to 1,000, yeah, subscribers. And I'm sorry if this video goes, it's just that I'm 9 and Optimize Gaming aka Ryan is 12. That must hurt. Jump. I didn't touch that. I'm just going to go hardcore on this one. What? You guys saw that? That was a freaking glitch. Freaking glitch. I'm in a freaking lag. Yeah, that's not oh, never mind. I'm just going to end the episode right here. So bye guys, adios. I'm not going to put the intro right here.